Hey everyone, this is Linda here with yet another recipe, and for today I'm going to make yogurt starter three different ways and use it to make the first batch of yogurt, and even use it to make drinking yogurt as well. So we'll start off with a whole milk, and I'm going to about 2 cups of whole milk. I'm going to warm it, and I'm not using any thermometer. You just want to see some bubbles around the edges of the pan, and with all the heat coming out, then vapor coming out, and you know your milk is ready. So I'm just going to take it off the heat and let it cool to the temperature that you can put your finger in it and it won't burn you, or you won't take it out immediately, or to the temperature that will be good for a baby to drink. So now I've divided into three bowls, and one of it I've added chili pepper. The second one is slices of lemon. You can also use lemon juice. And the third one is citric acid. So this is our starter that we are doing right here. So we're going to cover it and let it sit at a warm place. Um, I'll leave it overnight. I usually like to do it in the oven, and you can and open it a little bit ajar. And yeah, so it's been the next day, and this is what we have here. This is our chili one, and you can see how creamy it looks. And yeah, so that's our first starter ready, and we're going to see how the other ones also resulted. So we're going to check the lemon um, one, and as you can see, that is how thick it looks. And this time we have a little bit of way because it was all sealed. Yeah, but our starter is definitely ready as well. And the with the chili, it's you could really smell the chili flavor in it. And this is our citric acid, and it is the thickest among them. Yeah, and it doesn't have any smell compared to the chili one. The lemon too just smell a bit acidic, or lemon a little bit, but it's just close to the citric one. But with the chili, it's the creamiest, but it's also smell really chili. So now we're going to use the starter to make our first batch of yogurt. So I'm going to divide this milk also into three, and mix the starter into them. So all you do is take a bit of the warm milk and mix it with the starter, and just pour it back into the main container. Stir everything together really well. Then it's ready to um, go into our incubator, which is our oven. And this is the citric acid, and that's our chili that we're going to use to make um, our first batch of yogurt. With the chili, even after the first batch, it still smells really chili. You can really smell it. You can't taste it, but you can really. So this is how I store them in the oven, and I make sure I leave a little room the bacteria can breathe. So this has been overnight, and that's our lemon um, starter. We're using this milk right, this yogurt right here, and you could see very thick. Um, But we're going to transfer this into a bowl and put it in the refrigerator to firm up really well. So we'll come back and check out it's done. And this is our citric acid. So I'm just going to pull the water from it and keep it. And look how thick it looks. So that's our yogurt, and you can put this in the fridge for to firm a little bit more. And this is our chili, and the chili yogurt is still, this is the first batch, and it still smells just like chili. So I think with the chili one, you have to use this as a base again to make a whole new one that will not smell like chili. So this is the next. It's been in the fridge for about 4 hours, and that's our yogurt and the chili um, starter yogurt. This is our citric acid, and it's, I think, the thickest among them, but not the creamiest compared to the chili one. So, and the lemon one is in between. So there you have it, three starters to make yogurt at home. I hope you guys will like this and give it a try. And if you like it, please like, subscribe, and share. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.